A single flock carves invisible routes through continents, guided by stars, Earth's magnetic field, and weather patterns. During stopovers, massive reunions unfold at coastal wetlands, where exhausted travelers refuel from a mosaic of foods. Some species endure extreme distances thanks to wing design and fat storage, shaving tens of thousands of kilometers off the journey. Conservationists track these routes with tiny transmitters, revealing vital corridors that depend on protected habitats. This episode celebrates resilience, showing how every wingbeat writes a new page in a global epic of life.